my favorite things about the prospecting workspace is how easy it makes it for reps to have the information they need all in one space. So right now I'm inside of the leads tab, which is inside of the prospecting workspace. And I want to point out a couple of things that I find super helpful. So right now I've got all of my leads that are in stages, new, attempting, and connected. Now, stage is one of the really cool things about the lead object because it's something that automatically is going to set itself. So when it's new, obviously it's going to come in as new for your reps. As soon as your rep starts to contact that person, so sending an email or making a dial, it's automatically going to go to attempted. Now, if they connect with someone on one of those calls or if they respond to an email, this is automatically going to get updated and it's going to be connected. So that's one way that your data is going to be a lot cleaner than if you had your reps doing all this stuff manually. So I want to call that out. The other thing that I really like about this view is that it gets the information about what I have to do next and what the last activity is all right in front of me. So when I come to this page right here, it's great for me to be able to see all of my leads, what stage they are in, and then see, do I even have a next activity set up? And if I don't, I want to be able to address that quickly. So if I click on this here, you can see that I didn't have an activity set up for this person. I can change the duration when I want this certain activity to pop up for me, and then I can make it a task, email, or a call. So once I do this, I'm going to say I've got a call in 3 business days, and I can click on this and actually edit and customize this task further. Now this right side panel is going to pop out, and that's going to look a lot like the other experiences when you're creating tasks. So I really like that I can do that in this view. The other thing that's really helpful, and this is like all the views inside of HubSpot, is this whole page is customizable. So if you click on edit columns here, you can select the different columns that you want. You can move the order that they're in, and you can add other properties to this list view over here so that you can see the things that are most important to you. So I highly recommend going into the leads tab, checking out the information that you have just right at your fingertips, and then making sure that you're using these different columns that can help you action upon your data and be more efficient and effective as a seller.